Hey everybody, this is Ionacus, and I am doing a review for Power of the Primes Inferno. This is not Inferno. This is not Inferno. This is, yes, he is red. Yes, he is a fire truck. No, he is not Inferno. He is Fire Chief from Guard City. Have you ever seen a knockoff version of the Gen 1 Protectobots with a red hot spot? That's a knockoff of Guard City. He's from Operation Battle Stars. It was an Autobot Combiner from the series. It was part of Return of Convoy. I did a review of Star Convoy for my first review. Guard City was one of the Autobots from that series. And unfortunately, it was a comic book series. It wasn't an animated series, it was a comic book series. This is not Inferno. This is Guard City. So I'm going to do the review of him, and I'm going to add on several of the Protectobots, and that'll be what it's supposed to be Guard City combined mode. Okay, I did my rant. Okay, he's got great detail with all the red, and I mean, it's the same as Hotspot. If you have Hotspot, you know how it all got the lights here. You got great posability, arms and legs. Goes for some great poses. It's a good figure. It's an amazing figure. All the Combiner Wars leader, the chess guys were all great figures. Hotspot, Silverbolt, Onslaught, all of them great figures. Even Power Prime's Hunger, it's a great figure. This guy is a great figure. It's not Inferno. His head sculpt is really good. You can see that. It does move back and forth. And got the ladder back here is white with the silver. And the combiner head's here, but it's actually a little more hidden than I think the Defensor's was. I'm not entirely sure where I have that one. But overall, this is a really good figure. I'll take the guns off and we'll do the vehicle mode next. Okay, so you put the guns off to the side. You open up the chest piece here. And you put the head down. Close it back up. You rotate the shoulders. And you bring the arms forward. And they snap it in. The peg goes right here. And it looks really good. And you take the arm, or the legs, and you turn them 360. Then you slide them inward to about here. They should be able to connect like so. And you bring the front down, the toes down, the front, and you bring nope, those are supposed to stay like that. You can't connect the guns to the sides here. And bring that down. There is the fire truck mode. Rolls nicely. Fire can extend. is overall a nice looking fire truck mold. Again, he is a combiner, so now we're gonna get him into his combined form. Bring that back up. I bring the toes back up here. And you're gonna turn the legs yep. The combiner ports are right here. Let's see, I got a part here to reference that, and I do have them wrong slightly. Yeah. My arms to the side. So I had a little pause there. I'm not going by instructions. I'm going by how hotspot in his chest mode looks over there. So I'm doing this on the fly, so just bear with me. So if you guys do want to see me do the Combiner Wars figures as sets, you want me to split them up into different videos, do like the figures, and then do the combined modes, let me know in the comments below. Figure out a way to do it somehow or another. Something will work its way out. Okay, tabs go in here. Tabs are to the right. Crap, now I'm going to have to pull him into camera. That goes like that. I do a 360. I am really screwing this up. That would go there. The piece was, ow. Just bit me. Ouch. It just took a second to figure as much. Parts down. And there we have Guard City. Or at least Fire Chief's construction. I want to take a look at the heads real quick for. And see, because this is the head for him, and this is the head for Defensor. Definitely, you gotta give Hasbro credit. They did do different heads for him. I applaud them on that. But this is still not Inferno. Anyway, let's see, I have ambulance. Look at my notes here. Okay. See, I already got first aid here. And arm mode. And so, okay, I'm screwing this up. I'm going to go for the legs first. Get rid of that. Attach one of the foot components that came with them. And I'm already going to tell that this looks going to look freaking amazing. Because of the red. It's the red with the blades and the white. It's going to look really, really good. And streetwise, the other piece. Have him set up as leg. And we're gonna move his gun to the other side. That'll work out nicely. So I should have put him together first before I started doing the video. But it is what it is. He's a tall boy. He's definitely taller, a little taller than Defensor was. And now here I have Combiner Wars Deluxe Groove with oh. Got his little hand piece. Connect to there. And doesn't want to connect now. Okay, let's there we go. Gear him back a little bit and bring this up. And nope, hold on. Have some standing difficulty here. Oh, there we go. Let's change the direction of this. And this is height. And he looks good. I did just with a little bit of blue here, but the white and the red, a little bit of black on groove, it works. This is definitely Guard City. Oh, I fixed that. This is a nice figure. I kind of want to leave this as this now. I wish I had more limbs for Defensor, because I kind of want to keep him looking like this now. And if you give me 1 second, I'm going to grab my bottomless is sitting up here behind me. I have had a couple comments about wanting a collection showcase of what I have back here. This is like 5% of what I have in my own personal collection. Most of my personal collection is boxed away because I don't have the room for it. But I do have some shelves that are up on display, but I need to reorganize them. I need to pack away a couple figures. I need to add in a couple figures, and they're just not ready for everybody out there to see. And when it's ready, I'll probably do a video. But here, this is him with a bottomless. And, well, the bottomless looks like he might be a little bit taller. But, maybe not. But that's a good little size comparison. I'm just going to grab my Defensor. Oh yeah, definitely taller. Guard City is definitely taller than Defensor. But then again, I do have Streetwise and Blades as the legs instead of, with him, I had him as the arms. I guess that does make up for a little bit of height. But overall, it looks really, really good. Don't fall. If you are interested in getting an Inferno and combine them like this, just know that it will look very good. If you like this video, subscribe, give me a like below, and like I said, if you want me to do like full combiner team reviews and do this individual bots separately in one video and combine mode in another video, let me know. And so this is Ionacus saying have a good night, and I'll see you later. Bye.